Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to go over with you some really cool storage containers that I just received. If you guys have been following me, you know that I've been doing some decluttering videos and just trying to get my life back in control for 2022, but LIFEWIT has actually reached out to me. It is a company that focuses on organization, and they asked if they could send me some of their products, and I said absolutely, send them on. I really do think that this is going to help me get a lot of my stuff under control and organized, and just help me with my whole decluttering journey for right now. So I wanted to show you exactly what they sent me, and literally, like, they just sent all of this stuff to me. So I'm gonna unbox this with you guys and just kind of let you see just a little bit of what they offer. Now, I have been on their website. They are on Amazon and they've got a ton of stuff. So if you're looking to organize your home in 2022, definitely go check them out. I'm gonna have all of their information in my description box below. That way you can go and see all the goodies they have. So the first thing that I have here is the large capacity clothes storage containers. And these are like a gray with a brown lining. And you guys, these things are absolutely massive. I honestly wish I had had these when I was going through my closet and going through all of those clothes, but I do have another idea for these. So this is the large size. And as you can see, you can actually see right in here. So if you've got these like stacked up in a closet or something like under your bed, you can see exactly what's in them. And I think I'm going to actually put my extra sheets and blankets in here because at the moment they're literally just folded up and in my corner. But this way I can get them in a container so they're not collecting dust and getting dirty, and I can slide them under my bed so they're out of sight but still all together and contained. They have a really nice handle on both sides. That way you can either throw them in an attic or under the stairs. You can pull them out from underneath your bed really easily that way. And again, like I said, I love this little window here. So like if you're doing let's say seasonal clothing and you wanted to use these, again, I have 3 in this pack. That way you can look and see exactly what you've got. Sweaters, jeans, shorts, summer clothes, whatever you decided to put in here. I think these are going to be absolutely amazing and I cannot wait to use them. I'm really quickly just going to show you what I've got, and then I'm going to start putting stuff in there. I'm just super excited. Okay, so like I said, I've actually got some comforters and sheets and extra pillowcases and things like that just sitting here in the corner of my spare room. But I'm going to go ahead and put them in one of these large baskets along with some other ones that I have in my closet. That way I can just have them all together. The next things that I got are these little storage cubes, and I love that they are kind of like a tweed material. Obviously they're not tweed, but I love the way they feel. The inside of it is like a polyester, and you can like wipe things out if if they got dirty or anything like that. I actually really like that they have these little tassels, and I thought about maybe switching out Bodhi's toy box for one of these because this would literally match everything that I have there in my living room, and it's got the handles that I like so much, and it's a really good size, and this actually came with 3. I think you could probably use these for book storage. You can use them for towels, anything like that, and it's gonna look really pretty. Like if you have them in like a, I don't know, like a closet in your pantry, in your linen closet, you can put medicines, shampoos. You guys know how I love all of my shampoos and conditioners. I can just put them in here and you won't be able to see all of that mess. Absolutely love this idea. I'm definitely going to be using those everywhere in the house. And this one right here, I think is the, let's see. Yeah, this is another really big storage bag. You guys, I'm so excited about this. You have no idea. Okay, you guys, now these are massive. I got 3 of these as well, and they are huge. Can you see how big these are? Now, this is another thing that's gonna be really nice to put under the bed. Again, if you wanted to put shoes in here, you could do that for sure, because then you can see exactly what's in there. Again, it's got a handle on the end for easy access. And I love the fact that you can see everything that's in the bag. That way you're not having to open up the bag, go through everything, see what's in there. You guys, I'm so stinking excited. You have no idea how much stuff. I've actually got like pillows and stuff like that that I can start storing away and putting in places where you're not gonna have to sit and look at them throughout my house. I'm so excited. Okay, so now that I've actually shown you what I've got, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm going to put in each one of them. So like I mentioned earlier, I knew that these little cubes would be great in my bathroom to contain all of the soaps and lotions, shampoo, conditioners, and all of that stuff. But I absolutely am in love with these storage bags. You guys definitely need to go and check them out. They have so much stuff, more than just storage. They have bedding, mats, they've got sheets, pillows, all kinds of stuff. So definitely go check them out. Like I said, all of this will be in the description box below. So I quickly just wanted to tell you exactly what I have in here. So in this bag, I have a king comforter, like an entire comforter, and 2 little throw pillows and another set of sheets all in that bag. And there's still so much room left in there. And then on this bottom flat one, I have 5 different sets of sheets. That is the flat sheet, the fitted sheet, and the pillowcases all in that one box. So now that I have a few of these already full, I'm going to take the ones that I have left downstairs to the basement. I've got a ton of stuff that I have ideas for. We've got like camping blankets and sheets and pillows and things like that that is definitely going to get a home in one of these storage boxes. I'm so excited to have everything all in one spot. That way, again, that I can just look through those little windows and I know exactly what's in there. But I wanted to say thank you so much for you guys coming to support me anytime that I have sponsored content. But I promise you, I would not let you guys know anything about a product that I don't personally love, and I really think that you guys are going to enjoy these. They are very, very inexpensive and they do the job. Like if you are in need of decluttering and kind of getting some things organized in your house, these are going to be it. So I'm going to have all of the information again in my description box. Go check them out. But for now, I'm going to go and reorganize some more things. I love you and I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.